How to get a business loan even when you think there's no way you can qualify. Conventional banks have strict qualification requirements. They are not a good place to look for startup loans or if you have poor personal credit. Usually, they want 2 to 3 years of tax returns before they will lend you any money. If you're lucky, you might get a single credit card. Over 89% of business applications are denied by the big banks. What do lenders want to see? Lenders generally want to know you have enough assets, sufficient financial reserves, and enough personal collateral to ride out business fluctuations. How do loan applicants demonstrate this? Borrowers must show solid cash flow, sufficient to repay the loan, a track record of profitability, and success in a similar business endeavor. Essentially, this is to prove creditworthiness. Here's how equipment financing works. Get financing to buy or lease new equipment. Use first and last month's payments for approval. Rates vary widely based on risk factors. Can be approved with an average credit of 650 or better. The lender will undervalue equipment by possibly up to 50%. This is on major equipment only, not a combination of a lot of small equipment. You can get loans up to $2 million. What about equipment sale, leaseback? If you already own equipment free, use that as collateral for financing. You sell the equipment to a lender for cash, then lease it back from them. You need at least one larger piece of higher value equipment to qualify. Funding is in as little as 3 weeks. And then there's other kinds of collateral. Investors who want to buy and flip properties can get financing. They must also have cash, experience, and average credit. Get financing against commercial real estate. Insurance agents can get book of business financing. SBA Startup Microloans might be an option. 7M is the SBA microloan program. There are loans of up to $35,000 for working capital and growth. Average loan amounts are about $10,000. Funds come directly from SBA. This is unlike the 7A where the funds come from the bank. Let's recap. Conventional banks and loans are a problem, and so are private investors. Instead, get creative with collateral. This includes cash flow financing, or try the SBA for some forms of loans, as these are often for startups. Try Square and PayPal, or unsecured business financing, and build business credit, and then you'll never have to depend on lenders again. Contact us today to learn more about how to get a business loan even when you think there's no way you can qualify.